Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox Series X. This prevents shorts and preserves components. Once unplugged, wait 5 to 10 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Use a Torx T8 to remove the small screws at the base, then a T10 for the internal fasteners. This gives controlled access. Make sure to work on a soft mat to avoid scratches and position screws in order. Organization saves time later. Now, go on to the next step and open the case carefully. You insert a plastic pry tool into the seam and apply steady, even pressure to start lifting the backplate. This prevents cracking. Once a gap appears, work along the edge and free the internal clips one by one, start at a corner and move methodically to the opposite side. Make sure to feel for any resistance, because ribbon cables or grounding tabs may still be connected beneath. If you encounter a cable, pause and locate the connector before pulling. Careful work avoids broken parts. You lift the backplate away, routing any cables out gently so nothing tugs or tears, then place the plate on a soft surface. Once exposed, inspect the internals for dust and use short bursts of compressed air. Hold the can upright to avoid moisture. When reassembling, reverse the steps and tighten screws snug but not over tight. If the console fails to power on, check cable seating and screw order first. If still dead, reconnect and reseat internal connectors before assuming a...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.